Hi guys, we're at Red Car West Dyke level crossing in County Durham. I told you the alarm's quiet now. Watch, it'll go really fast in a sec. Oh, don't you dare misuse. Do not.
Oh,
watch.
You can't.
It's going to go faster now. Look, there we go. It's really fast. There's signal man. And it'll slow down now. Oh, the other one's not even slowed yet. Oh yeah, it has. Closed. There we go.
There we go.
Now the time now is my phone's not working. 12:48 on the 4th of December on a Sunday, 2016. This is for your 12:49 2 Delta 15 Northern service from Saltburn to Darlington, or 12:48 is coming in. I do not know why that alarm is so quiet though. Joe, I do not know why that alarm is so quiet. That one's like blasting compared to that one.
That one?
Yeah.
They used to be quite loud, didn't they?
Yeah, that one did.
Automatic moving gate can cause injury.
Yeah, it can crush you.
Yeah.
I don't mean to be dark, but yeah.
It's got 5 lights, 6 lights.
Oh yeah, it does.
It's got 6 lights.
You see, look, that
It's got 5.
in the middle. Yes, Spike. If you want, you can come and have a look, because I said you could go if you want. We'll get another view of Spike's view, just because he wants to go see what the gates are like. So. Here she comes. Damn. $142,084. And what? Should come open. Open they go. Why can't you just wait until they open? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it how there's just a big crowd. Oh, my did emergency sequence then. Lights still aren't out. Now they are, thanks guys, next video.